Hi there, digital marketers. Welcome back to my channel. Today we have got an advanced tutorial for you. We are going to walk through the process of setting up the Add to Cart event for TikTok Pixel using Google Tag Manager. Now we are creating the Add to Cart event. Go to the Google Tag Manager and create a trigger. We are already creating the required parameters for Add to Cart event, which is part 2. We are creating the view content event. Here we're creating the all kind of parameters. So if you do not watch the part 2, so I recommend it firstly watching the part 2, then go to the add to cart event. So here is the triggers. We are creating the new trigger. That will be the custom event. And here is our Google Tag Assistant. We are now copy our event, add to cart event as it is. If you any kind of spelling mistake, then trigger will be not fired perfectly. So paste the add to cart event. Here we put the name event add to cart. Save it. Then go to the tags. Now we are creating the tag new TikTok pixel. Here is the pixel ID we have to collect from the TikTok ad manager. This is our TikTok pixel ID. Paste the ID. Trigger event add to cart. Object parameter is single product ID. It will be item ID. Content type will be the product. Item name. Quantity. CGS quantity. How to create the CGS quantity parameters? This video will be the description box. You can check it out. Currency. Value. Will be value. Now we creating the price parameter. New variable. Data layer variable. We are taking the value eCommerce dot items. For array variable, we are put the 0 and then finally price. Will be price. Save it. Trigger will be the add to cart event. Put the tag TikTok add to cart. Save. Now we are check it out. Add to cart event is working or not. Then preview. Then open a product page. Here we increase the quantity and click the add to cart. Look at that. The add to cart event is fired. And if you go to the variables, the all parameters are working nicely. This is our product. This is the ID, currency, quantity. We are selecting the 4 quantity and event add to cart. Nicely working. So congratulations, we have successfully set up the add to cart event for TikTok Pixel by using Google Tag Manager. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.